Here we have a triangle ABC right angled at B. We have a square DEFG. We do not know the measurement of the sides of the triangle or the square. But what we do know is the measurement of this line segment AB, which is 9.8 centimeters, and the length of this line segment EC, which is 5 centimeters. What we need to find is the area of this square DEFG. Let the side of the square be of measurement A centimeters. Then if this is A, this will also be A. Now consider the two triangles. These two triangles, I will name it 1 and 2. What do you notice is similar between these two triangles? Both of them are right triangles. Why is that? If you see, we have a square DEFG. All of its angles are of measurement 90 degrees because it is a square. So you have a 90 degrees here, you have a 90 degrees here, and look at this. What do you see? It is a straight line, which means what? We have a linear pair. We have the two angles. The sum of two angles should be equal to 180 degrees. If this is 90, this will also be 90. Similarly, here also you will have a linear pair, which means here also you have a right triangle. Now, what else is similar between these two triangles? Do you notice their measurements? Both of them have one given quantity and one required quantity. Both of them, if you see, they have one quantity which we are given and the other one which we want. So, if we can find some way to prove that these two triangles are similar to one another, then we are done. So, let us try doing that. We will start by proving that this small triangle, the one which we have marked as 1, that small triangle is similar to this huge triangle. The whole triangle ABC is similar to this small triangle. Now I have removed all the unnecessary markings. Can you tell me why they are similar? Using what criterion they will be similar? Both of these triangles, this small triangle 1 and the whole triangle ABC, both of them have a common angle A. Then what? A right angle here at B, a 90 degrees at B, and 90 degrees at D. So what do we have? We have two equal pairs of angles, which means the third angle, which is G here, the third pair of angles will also be equal to one another, or in other words, using AA criterion, these two triangles are similar. Now go to the next triangle, the one which we marked as 2. You remember that? I have just removed all of that. Here we have an E, we have an F, and we knew that this was a right angle. So this small triangle and the whole triangle ABC have a common angle at C. Then what? A right angle, a 90 degrees at B here, a 90 degrees at E here. So where you see B here, you put a E, then that leaves the last one angle here at F. So these two will also be equal to each other. Then what does that mean? Again by AA criterion, ABC and this small triangle are also similar to each other. So both of these small triangles are similar to the same triangle, which means what? They are similar to each other. So we know that these two small triangles, which we named 1 and 2, are similar to each other. What does that mean? The ratio of their corresponding sides are equal, which means AD by FE is equal to DG by EC. But then what is AD? It is 9.8. And what is FE? It is A. And what is DG? It is again A. And what is EC? It is 5. So let us cross multiply, then we get 9.8 into 5 is a square, or in other words a square is 49 centimeters square. This is the answer that we were looking for. So the square that you see here, DEFG, each of its sides are of measure 7 centimeter and its area, its total area is of measure 49 centimeters square. So that is all for today. Assalamu alaikum.